Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by confirming device compatibility and Apple ID sign-in. Use an iPhone XS or later running iOS 12, 1 or newer for eSIM support. Update iOS if needed before you leave. Sign into your Apple ID and enable iMessage in settings before traveling. Install the Airalo app, buy a data eSIM, and download the eSIM profile. Keep your physical SIM active if you need SMS for iMessage activation. Restart your phone after installing the eSIM profile to finalize setup. To use iMessage on a travel eSIM, first ensure internet access via Wi-Fi or Airalo data. Use Wi-Fi or your Airalo data eSIM to activate iMessage with your Apple ID. If iMessage requests an SMS verification, you should keep your primary SIM inserted for the activation code. Alternatively, set messages send and receive to your Apple ID email address to avoid SMS dependence. After activation, choose the eSIM line for cellular data in Settings Cellular. Test by sending an iMessage to manage your lines in settings to keep iMessage working smoothly while abroad. Select the eSIM line for cellular data and choose the primary line for voice if needed. If messages fail to send, switch to Wi-Fi temporarily and retry sending. Wi-Fi often resolves delivery problems. If activation stalls, sign out of Apple ID, restart the phone, and sign back in. Reset network settings or toggle iMessage off then on to resolve persistent errors. Contact Airalo support only if the eSIM data connection fails entirely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.